Now children, here you have one activity type question. Draw the shelters of the following animals. See which animals shelter you have to draw. You can do this at home. You have to draw the shelter of ants. Now what is the shelter of ants children? It is ant hill. Then you have to draw second one, mouse. Now where mouse lives? They live in a hole. So you can draw a hole. Then third one, hens. What is the shelter for hens? Yes, it is chicken coop or hen house. Fourth one, bees. That is honeybees. What is their shelter children? Honeycomb. Fifth one, birds. Means birds live in nest. So you can draw a picture of a nest. Any shape nest you can make. Sixth one, spider. You remember children what is the shelter for spider? Yes, we have studied in lesson 2. Spider, they make cobwebs. Okay. So that is their shelter. So at home, you can draw these pictures in your notebook. You can use your EVS textbook for the same. I'll show you the picture of the shelters of these animals. See, this is the shelter of ants. That is ant hill. See, your ant hill is drawn. Below that you have a shelter of mouse. That is hole. See, your mouse is made and hole is shown. Then you can draw chicken coop, which is the shelter for hens. Honeybees, you can show honeycomb. Then you can show nest of a bird. And spider, their shelter is cobweb. So you can make cobweb this way. See, hen house, honeycomb, nest. This is also one type of nest. And this is cobweb, that is the shelter for spider. Okay, so you have this one homework. You have to draw the shelters of few animals. Next, new words. Now see children, in lesson number 3, you have some new words. Let us discuss these new words. First word is gusty. What do you mean by the word gusty children? Gusty means heavy, or you can say strong, sudden strong wind. When wind comes in a great force, that is gusty. What is the spelling? G-U-S-T-Y, gusty. Okay. Once again, G-U-S-T-Y, gusty. Gusty means sudden strong winds. Second one, scorching. Scorching means what children? Very hot. You remember scorching sun? Yes, that is too much heat of the sun. Scorching means very hot. Spelling S-C-O-R-C-H-I-N-G, scorching. I repeat, S-C-O-R-C-H-I-N-G, scorching. Third one, discomfort. Discomfort means what children? To feel uncomfortable or uneasy, you can see. Spelling D-I-S-C-O-M-F-O-R-T, discomfort. I repeat, D-I-S-C-O-M-F-O-R-T, discomfort. Fourth one, threat. Threat means what children? A fear. You can say a person or thing who causes damage. So, threat. Spelling T-H-R-E-A-T, threat. You remember the people who live near forest, they always have a threat of wild animals. That is, they always think that any wild animal may come and eat them. So they always have a threat of wild animals. Threat, threat. Fifth one, defend. Defend means to save someone or to protect, you can say. Defend. Defend. I repeat, defend. Defend. Sixth one, string. Now, what is the meaning of string, children? Thin rope, you can say. Patla rassi. string. 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 Seventh one, alike. Alike means, children, same. alike. Alike. I repeat, alike. Alike. Eighth one, convenient. Convenient means, you can say, suitable. Okay. convenient. Convenient. Okay. Animals, some animals choose convenient places to live. So convenient means the one which is suitable for them. convenient. Convenient. Ninth one, cliff. Cliff means what, children? Steep rock face, you can say. Okay. In which doves and pigeons, they take shelter. Okay. cliff. Cliff. In big rocks, hole type places in which the doves or pigeons, they take shelter. And those big rocks, they are called as cliff. 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 10th one, caverns. Now caverns means what, children? Large caves. Okay. Where bats, they take shelter. caverns. Caverns. I repeat, caverns. Caverns. See, children, this is a picture of a cliff in which doves and pigeons take shelter. Next, what we have learned. Now see, children. Now what things we have learned in the lesson? In short, the summary is given. Let us see these points. Animals need a shelter to protect themselves from the cold, wind, sun and rain. Why do animals need shelter, children? To protect themselves from cold, wind, sun and rain. Then second point, some animals build their own shelters. We have studied this group of animals. Animals who build shelters for themselves, in which we have some birds. All birds don't make the nest. Okay, some birds like doves and pigeons, they don't prepare a nest. They take shelter in high cliffs. Okay, or sometimes they make nest also. And we had seen the example of weaver bird and tailor bird who make nest. Yes, nest are shelters for birds. Along with some birds, we have insects like honeycombs in this group. That is the animals who build shelters for themselves. What is the shelter for honeybees? Honeycomb. Then we also have rats and mice. They make, that is, they dig holes in the walls and they make mostly holes in field. And in houses, in mud houses, they can make holes and not in cement construction houses. Why? Because cement is hard, so there they cannot make holes, and in mud houses they can easily make holes. Then third point, some animals look for ready shelters in their surroundings. Yes, here we had studied about wild animals like tigers, leopards, hyenas. They live in caves. Then we had studied about bats. They are also coming in this group, that is animals who look for ready shelters. They don't make any effort, but they look for a safe place. The next, last group, we build shelters for the animals we keep. That is, in this group, we are having domestic animals. They are very useful to us. So, people who keep them, they build shelters for this domestic animals like cow shed, stable, hen house. Okay. Then you have one column in your work textbook, children. Always remember. Is it right to keep animals in cages for our pleasure? Yes, children, is it right to keep animals in cages? No. Why no? Remember, I had given you example of lockdown. That is, we are bored at home, isn't it? Or staying indoors. We want to go out for picnic, for movie, or just to meet our friends. But we can't go as we have to keep ourselves safe from coronavirus, isn't it? So, same is with the animals. Even they don't like to remain in cages. So, we should let them live in their natural surroundings. See, in this column, they have asked, is it right to keep animals in cages for our pleasure? Answer, no. Why? We have to let them live in their natural surroundings. Okay, children, so here we have completed with a revision of lesson number 3. At home, you read the entire lesson from textbook. And I have given you one activity, that is, you have to draw the shelters of some animals. Okay, children? So here we stop. We'll meet in our next EVS 1 class. Till then, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.